Students, today we are going to see some real life situation that satisfying the compound interest formula. The population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at rate of 5% per annum. Find the population in 2001 and what would be its population in 2005. So we have to find the population in 2001, but for 2003 it is given. That means the population including the 2001. So this will be considered as principal and this will be considered as amount, because amount will be containing the principal and interest, right? That is increased. So this contains this 2001 population. So this amount plus increase, that is the interest we will see. So the principal P for the 2001 is what we have to find, and the amount 2003 I will represent the date year here for amount and principal because we have more 54,000 and rate is 5% and here is 2 years, right? So amount at 2003 is equal to principal at 2001 into 1 plus r by 100 into whole power n. So amount is a 54,000. This principal is what we have to find, and this is a 1 plus r is a 5 by 100 power 2. This will becomes for 20. So 54,000 equal to principal into 2001. Here to 1 times, right? 20 into 1 is 1, 21. 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Clear? So we need principal. If we take this side, it will become an inverse 20 by 21, 20 by 21. So principal of 2001 is equal to 54,000 into 20 by 21, 20 by 21. So let me leave the 0. 2 into 2 is a 4, and 4 into 54 206 and 5 zeros. Clear? So divided by 21 into 21 is a 441. So then we have to divide this. So sure, it will be also like some big number in the decimal. So let me choose the first two decimal point will be obtained as 48,979.59. So 2 decimal is enough. We are talking about a population, so point is not possible. So it's a more 0.5. So let me take next is the population. So population at 2001 is equal to 48,980. So population of 2000 is 48,980. Clear? So next we will find the second one. This we have found for the first one. So 48,980 at 2001. So next 2 years it is increased. Next we have to find for the 2005. So while finding for the 2005, this will be the principal, right? Then we can substitute as it is. So for amount at 2005, there will be the principal at 2003 we will be considering, so that year can be, we can write for a 2, right? So it is a 54,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole power 2. So this is as usual the previous step. It will be 21 by 20 we will be getting. So 54,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. 0 0 0 0. Sorry. And it's for 270, and 2 and 270 is for 135. So 135 into 21 into 21 is 441, right? So we have to multiply 135 into 441. That's our answer. It will be like an 59,000 535. Clear? Therefore population in 2005 would be 59,535. Clear? So here we go for the next problem. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at rate 2.5% per hour. So instead of here they are using the hour here. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So the rate is 2.5 and the time is 2 hours, and if count was initially a 5,06,000. This is so simple, right? So the principal initial is the principal 5,06,000 and the rate is 2.5 and that time is 2 hours. Here both are hours, so no problem. Both years instead of years it is given as a hours. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. So here is a 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2.5 by 10 divided whole power 2. So 5,06,000 into 1 plus this we can consider 25 by 100 is a 1 by 4, so point is equal to 1 by 40. 1 by 40 the whole square equal to 5,06,000 into 40 into 1 is 40, 40 plus 1 is 41, 41 by 40. Since it is square we need twice, right? We need it for a twice. Now we have to simplify 0 0 0 0 and 4 it will come for an 1 2 6 5, and again the 4 table it is 316.25, right? So we'll be getting it as a 316.25 into 41 into 41, 41 square is a 1681. So we have to multiple and we will be getting the value, right? So decimal 0.25 we will be getting. So 306 into 1681 we will be getting it as 5,31,616, right? 5,31,616 point. So hence number of bacteria after 2 hours are 5,31,616 approximately. We cannot say in the point the bacteria, right? So just we are writing it in the whole. Go for the next problem. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciates at 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So it's here it is also about an year, and but here it's depreciated, so it's decreased. So in the formula we have to use a subtraction. So initially they bought for a principal rupees 42,000 and rate 8%, but it's depreciated, so we have to put negative, and n is equal to 1 years, right? So amount is equal to principal into 1 minus r by 100 the whole power n. We have put subtraction here since the situation is depreciation means decreasing. So 42,000 into 1 minus 8 by 100 the whole power 1, and 4 table 2 times 25, and 1 we can multiple 1, so we can do that. 42,000 into 1 minus 2 by 25. So 42,000 into 25 into 1 25 minus 2 23, so 23 by 25. So 25 table we have to cancel this, it will obtain for 1 times 6 times and 8 times 0. So 1680 into 23, so we will obtain, if you multiple the 1680 into 23, the 0 will be rest as it is. Then 168 into 23 will be getting 3864, so 38,640. So hence the value of scooter after 1 year is rupees 38,640. So here we are subtracting since the rate is decreasing, that's why we have put subtraction in the rate. Thank you.